It's an Allis-Chalmers 2035E, they call them E's. 20 stands for the drawbar, 35 for the belt horsepower. There was one on the cover of Antique Power, and I always loved it. Didn't think I'd ever be able to get one, and this one became available, and several tractor collectors turned it down because it was in such bad shape. There's long fender 2035s and a short fender, and this is a long fender, and there's not a lot of these around. Then Allis-Chalmers, which they built these in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, shortened the fenders and painted the wheels all one color to cheapen the cost. This became available, and then I took it completely apart and took it to Manaway, Ohio, to Larry Litzo, who they call the tractor guru. I had rubber tires on the front and didn't have a carburetor, and every piece had to be dismantled. There wasn't a screw or a bolt that wasn't taken out and rebuilt. It had a bent rod, all the valves were shot. Sheet metal was all redone. Well, I loved it, especially when you start painting it. Yeah, it's fun putting it together. Cleaning parts and rebuilding takes time, and that's probably the worst part. It was used on sawmills. Cities and counties use it for grading roads, a plowing tractor, planting, thrashing. Is big on thrashing. Actually, this is a model called like a Thrasherman Special. It's because it's got the whistle on out of the exhaust, and it's not a real loud whistle because the RPM's down, but it signaled to the guy on the thrasher, you know, or to speed up or slow down and things like that.